Are you really in control of your own data? Imagine this. You just talked to a friend about your summer travel plans. You haven't searched for it on Google. You haven't messaged anyone about it. Yet a few hours later, Facebook bombards you with ads for hotels, flights, and tour packages. Is AI reading your mind, or is your personal data being tracked without you realizing it? So, how can you protect your data while still enjoying the benefits of AI? Let's find out today, what does AI know about you? AI isn't just a smart tool, it's a system that learns from you. Every time you search on Google, AI records your interests. Scroll through social media, AI analyzes your habits and emotions. Talk to a virtual assistant, AI recognizes your voice patterns. But here's the catch. AI doesn't just store data. It predicts your behavior, knows your preferences, and even influences your decisions without you noticing. But who actually owns this data, and how is it being used? If your data falls into the wrong hands, whether it's hackers or companies exploiting it, you could lose more than you think. So, there are 4 ways to protect your personal data when using AI. 1. Encrypt your data. Make it useless to hackers. Think of your data as a letter. If someone steals it, they can only read it if it's not encrypted. Encryption technologies like AES Advanced Encryption Standard make your data unreadable to attackers. 2. Anonymize your data, so AI can't track you. Some advanced systems like Apple's differential privacy can add noise to your data, making it impossible to trace back to you. AI can still learn from it, but it won't know who you are. 3. Federated learning. AI learns without storing your data. Instead of sending your data to a central server, AI can learn directly on your device. This means it gets smarter without accessing your private information. Control app permissions. Don't let AI overstep. Many apps request access to your microphone, camera, and contacts even when they don't need it. Take control by only granting necessary permissions, regularly reviewing your privacy settings, browsing in incognito mode for extra privacy. These small steps can help you stay under AI's radar. And finally, AI, a guardian or a threat. You can see that AI can protect your data, detect fraud, and block hackers. But AI can also track you, sell your data, or manipulate your choices. The problem isn't AI, it's how you manage it. Be a smart user who leverages AI's power without letting it control your life. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more valuable content.